Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about duck typing. Duck typing is a concept in Python and other dynamically typed languages that focuses on what an object can do rather than what it is. The idea is derived from the saying, if it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, then it's probably a duck. In programming terms, this means that you don't check an object's type to determine if it can perform a given operation. Instead, you just try to perform the operation, assuming that if the object can do it, is the right type. Let's say you have a function that makes an object quack. You don't care whether the object is specifically a duck object, you only care if it has a quack method. So I'll go down here and I'll type class duck. I'm gonna define a method quack. And it's gonna return quack. So let me see, okay. Then I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna create another class dog. I'm gonna define quack, and it's gonna return oof, but I can pretend to quack. And I'll go down here. I will create a function def make it quack, and it's gonna have a duck colon print duck dot quack. Let's put this down. Now I'll go down here and I'll create a duck equals duck and dog equals dog. Then I'll go down here and I'll type make it quack, and I will pass duck. Now let's run this to see what we get. We get quack. Now let's type make it quack, and now I'm gonna pass the dog. So I'm gonna type pass dog. Now if I run this, get quack and we get oof, but I can pretend to quack. So what happened? The duck class has a quack method that returns quack. The dog class has a quack method. Even though it's not a real duck, it still provides the quack method that returns a different string. Make it quack function takes any object and calls quack method. Here, the function make it quack doesn't care whether the object is an instance of duck, dog, or any other class. It only cares that the object has a quack method. If the object can quack, the function will work as intended. This is the essence of duck typing. The specific type of the object doesn't matter as long as it can perform the required operation. This allows for greater flexibility and polymorphism in your code. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next video.